Today is Wednesday, May 10th, and we have a detailing appointment right now, the vacuum boys, and I'm going to show you guys how everything goes down in this video. It's an interior on a SUV. Pretty much how this goes down is we're just doing a quick little interior detailing, and I'm going to show you guys how I set up all my equipment and all my stuff. So let's get to it. This right here is the trunk. I'm gonna put everything in. So let's start. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. It's all the stuff that you need. Only for today. Really not that much space at all. That's pretty much all for the equipment. I'm gonna go and get my friend right now. He's my employee, and he helps me work. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna cut to right when we're at the appointment, show you guys everything on the inside detailing, and let's get to it. What up, everybody? We're back. I'm gonna pick him up right now. You'll see him outside right here. We got all the equipment in the back, and we're pretty much chilling. So we're gonna cut to right when we're at the appointment, man. This business is not for buggers, man. I'm really waiting on him. He's taking his sweet time, ain't he? I'm gonna clown him when he comes out, though. Just watch. So we're here, everybody. Here he is. We'll say what's up to the camera. We're about to go right now. We're kind of in delay, so let's get right to it. We're gonna cut right to the when we're at the appointment, yeah? What up, everybody? We are here at the detailing. Got my gloves on, got everything on. I'll show you guys the vehicle in just a second. Just bear with me. 0.5. Yeah, 0.5. We have Dendon, employee of the month, doing his video right here. You see the car right here, guys. It's not too dirty, just an interior, but you know, we're gonna get it all cleaned. All it is, and the smell too. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get right to cleaning. As you can see here, we have some pretty dirty work up ahead. We're gonna be recording some clips, of course. You know, you always need to record clips if you're in the business. Remember that, just a little tip. But yeah, let's get to the montage, I guess.
You lose a lot of things for me.
Like what?
The water vacuum.
That's it, I bought a new one. Did you press record?
Yes,
Alright, no, stop. So yeah, guys, when you first start, you obviously want to give a good vacuuming, okay? That's the first and most important thing to start with. It's pretty hot outside. You can see I'm already sweating, but yeah.
Fun.
So we got vacuuming done semi on the first part. We still have all of this. You can see all this hair and all this hair right here. As you can see, we're gonna get all of this on the trunk and everything. All of this is getting out. All of this. There's also a huge stain over there. We're gonna get that out. But I'm gonna record myself doing it. And just like that, guys, we got pretty much all the hairs off this back seat. There's still a lot more here. I'm gonna record myself doing all that. And yeah. You good, Dendon?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, we just finished this trunk. You can check it out right here. Got most of this, the hairs out. We still gotta do plastic over here, clean all the plastic. And we have to do this puke stain right here, pretty disgusting. But you know, what has to be done has to be done. But yeah, it looks pretty good on the hair side. It is, what time is it, Dendon? 1? I think it's almost 4. So it's been only an hour since we've been here, guys. So let's skip to doing the floor mats right now. Let's get to it. Okay, everybody, we did the floor mats here. They're looking nice with a little pattern on them.
Hey, can you open the door?
Pretty nice. Excuse me?
Can you open the door?
Whoops. Anyways, guys, we're gonna tackle this throw up over here. Right here. Apparently their dog threw up. And yeah, we gotta get it clean. So let's just get right to it. Boom, we're back. But yeah, guys, I have to say so. Boom. And we cleaned that up pretty nice. I mean, there's still some vacuuming to be done, but yeah, the trunk looks very nice. We have Dendon over there. He's
cleaning the seats over here.
He's cleaning the seats over there. You know, double time. We still have to do this top right here. All of this. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick with this tool I have. Order this on Amazon, guys. This is a godsend. I'm telling you guys. Just use this on the vinyl. You'd think it would scratch, but it actually doesn't on hard plastic. It's still very soft bristles, so it's perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys right here some all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, let it rip. And you pretty much take most of the dirt out with this. Obviously you do have to wipe down after, well, you know, look at that. That's the difference right there. You can already tell. Pretty easy. You could get a similar effect with using your hands, but this I find to be just easier in general. Employee of the month here. How you doing?
Oh, hi.
Get back to work. Get back to work. Second side, as you can see, look at all those fingerprints and all that. It's gonna come away real quick. Just watch. Spray some of that all-purpose. Don't worry if it gets anywhere. It's just how it be. And let it rip. And then just wipe it down, guys. Preferably with a clean towel, not one that has throw. Just wipe everything down, you know, smooth it out. And yeah, it looks just better than before. Oh, my bottle was in the way the entire time, okay. But yeah, as you can see here, guys, the fingerprints are gone. Still scratches are still evident, of course. But those scratches. What do you mean? I didn't bring him. Oh, yeah, I didn't bring him. Yeah, you can use that one. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put some shine on it, make it shiny, make it look nice and clean.
recording, finish up the middle vent, please. Because it's still like wet. Just with like with anything, you know what I'm trying to say? Yeah.
Spanish. You can be the Spanish representative. The Spaniard representative. That dog. That's pretty much it, everybody. We are done with the detailing. I'm gonna show the progression clips. I probably already showed them, but yeah, I'm back home now. Gonna unset up everything. It is 6 p.m. right now. It's been 3 hours, but we took around 2 hours and made a good 1:30. You know, that's good enough for today. But yeah, everybody, that was it for the video. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys. And that's it.